All right, it's pretty clear these days consumers just want to buy experience, not just things. And that's why I've been a big backer of the theme park stocks, the ultimate experience. Take a look at Six Flags, SIX for you home gamers. That's the largest regional theme park operator in the world. 19 theme parks located throughout North America and international, licensing deals, Vietnam, Dubai, China. Until today, the stock of Six Flags has been an excellent performer, up 19% over the past 12 months, going into yesterday's close. This morning, though, something happened. It was puzzling. Six Flags reported what I thought was a solid quarter, small 1-cent earnings miss off a 3-cent basis, higher than expected revenue, which is what I care about, up 10% year over year, thanks to some very strong attendance numbers. And they're having a lot of success upselling guests from regular tickets to multi-visit season passes, with their active season pass base up 15%. That's pretty staggering. Yet the stock actually went down on the news, sinking a little more than $2 or 3.4% today. However, I think that's because the stock had run pretty substantially over the past few months. Some investors were looking to ring the register. So is this the buying opportunity, particularly since the stock now sports a 4.3% dividend yield? Let's dig deeper with John Duffy. He's the new CEO of Six Flags Entertainment. Find out more about the quarter and his company's prospects. Mr. Duffy, welcome to Mad Money. Good to see you, sir. How are you?
Jim, great to see you.
I think you would agree with my character. Have a seat. My characterization. The stock has been a horse. The numbers of what I was looking for, the key metrics, which to me are the passes and how good they are, and how just the growth overall, very much on target.
Absolutely. And, the strategy that we have in place, it's been a strategy that we've had in place really for the last 6 years, is working. And that's a strategy of continuing to grow our attendance through our season pass penetration, migrating our single-day tickets over to single pass, and that has been very successful.
It's just a gigantic number of people now with these passes in a very short period of time, right?
That's right. So, we have been very successful at doing that. And one of the reasons why it's been so successful is because it's a great value. And as we look at our guest satisfaction scores, particularly value for the money, that continues to increase. But we've also been adding a lot of events over the years. Fright Fest, Holiday in the Park. We're launching Mardi Gras in 2017.
February 28th is Mardi Gras.
That's right.
What will I see if I go?
Well, you know what? It's going to be another great event for us, and you're going to see floats. And these are the type of floats you actually see in New Orleans. We're going to have some great food. We'll have some great entertainment, and I think our guests are going to love it.
It's going to be a huge amount of fun. Huge. Now, I thought it was really interesting to see how you have embraced virtual reality and augmented reality in a way that seems to be astonishing people.
That's right. Jim, we look at ourselves as the leader in innovation. And virtual reality is one area that, we were the first in North America to put virtual reality on our roller coasters. It was a tremendous success. Our guests love it. And we're actually taking that to another level in 2017 by going to mixed reality. It'll be virtual reality and augmented reality together. And the beauty about virtual reality is not only do guests love it, but it's a minimum cost and it's very flexible, so we can change it out.
Okay, so USA Today talked about the best coasters, and they said the Joker, which is one of yours, but they also said you've really hit it out of the park with virtual reality. But they also said some enjoyed it, others reported longer wait times, so-so graphics, and technical snafus. Is that all behind you?
All behind us. All behind us. Whenever you have something that's innovative as this, there's some operational efficiencies that you have to get to. But boy, that's all behind us, and like I said, our guests love it.
Now, go over. I always think that when you add new rides, it brings in new people, and you've added a bunch of new rides.
We have added a bunch of new rides. 2016 was our best year ever in terms of new capital. And 2017 is even better. So, we'll continue to add rides. And not only does it bring people into the park for a brand new experience, but it increases the capacity within our park, which allows us to obviously get more people.
Now, is there really more room for more parks in this country?
Within the United States, Jim, I'll be honest with you, there probably is not room for more parks. But that's why we have this international opportunity.
Okay.
And with the international licensing strategy that we have to basically utilize our brand outside the United States to build parks in areas like China, Vietnam, and Dubai.
Now, it would seem, though, to some degree, it's rather than think that they don't have expansion, that there's nobody else who can come in. The gating factor is that both insurance and because there aren't a lot of parks, you really own this space.
Well, we really do, because when you think about it, it's a fantastic industry. It's a fantastic industry because it's not only growing, but has very high barriers to entry. So we really don't see anyone coming in and building new parks to compete with us here in the United States.
I have to tell you, my daughter and I were together this weekend. We're still doing virtual reality on the streets. I mean, I just think it's a very exciting. And the more people who hear about this, your place is going to be packed.
Right, and that's what, you talk about the virtual reality experience, where you can go to malls, wherever, and do it. Now think about doing that on a roller coaster. It's an incredible experience.
All right, we're probably going to join you. That's John Duffy, the president and CEO of Six Flags Entertainment. This stock hardly ever comes down. You're getting your chance tomorrow. Mad Money's back after the break. Booyah! Jim Cramer here from Mad Money. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube. Click here to subscribe and get the jump on my exclusives with CEOs, plus market news, investing advice, and a whole lot more.